we're going street drifting today with permits, of course, legally, with our boy Johnny. Stop number 1, car wash. Mikey's gonna be the rag that dries the car.
High officer?
This is definitely Mexico. So what we gotta do first is scout the area, look for potholes, and clock like a course. We definitely look really sketch.
You can see tire marks on the floor already.
Well, this is why I didn't want to bring like a lot of stuff.
Watch out, the potholes right there. All over here. Mikey, what do you think? You like this spot?
We made it to Mexico. This place looks nuts. We're gonna have to go like scout the lines out and see, because there's like certain things you can't really see, but like when you get up to it, there's really fat potholes and shit. I mean, obviously you'd expect that. Look at the ground, the cracks in it, super aggressive. And also
everywhere too. Like on the, you know, when we were driving in, there's like a pile of branches and shit right in the middle of the best corner.
Johnny, you wanna go explore this building with me, dude? Okay, so I'm thinking this is like the entire town is abandoned. Clearly, like, I don't know, there might be people living in here or something, because there's like a bunch of graffiti and it doesn't look like that old. Oh, all right, well, I'm knocking. Hello. This is super sketch. There's like a bunch of nitrous things in here. Weird. I hate it. This is crazy. It's like an entire abandoned town. Forget you're ever here. Well, that's whoa. Trippy, dude. It's like Fallout or something. Definitely not OSHA approved, I'd say. I'm getting out of this sketchy ass place. Mexico. Remember, we got permits for this. That guy got permits for us.
Big permit guy.
He said we were permitted. Dude, drift with your windows up, brother.
Holy fuck.
Are we permitted to be here?
No. Oh, yes.
This guy, see? He messed it up already.
We gotta get a fresh beverage in us, and then we can go scout it out a little bit more and go a little deeper and see if there's anything else. Maybe if we go on Google Maps we can see, but it seems like this corner and the one over there seem to be like the smoothest without potholes and all kinds of crazy debris.
There's like 2 potholes over there you gotta look out for.
Yeah.
On the big one right there.
Yeah.
I did third. It was a lot better.
Yeah.
But it was just like, yeah, I mean,
Yeah, my car's super soft for this too. It's like meant to only be at the track, and even at the track it's still too soft. So all this, it's just like, it's crazy. It feels like I'm out in the ocean right now, but we're gonna have fun with it. And yeah, let's see what round 2 brings. So, a couple laps in. Tell me if you can spot what happened. So that, look at how far down it is on the knuckle, like the shock sitting into it. Now, let's look at this side and look how much space there is. So, he hit a nasty pothole that molested his coilover.
I'm gonna go fight it. I'm gonna go fight the pothole.
No, we're stuck here with people who aren't mechanics trying to do things that they don't know what to do.
I'm mechanically inclined.
Me included. He's just here for moral support and to look good, to be honest. Hey, no, you're doing something. He got the overalls on today. Also,
Yeah, it goes.
well, he doesn't bend the coil over. That
It ate it,
actually.
though. Tire. It's fucking...
The problem is that the knuckle is now ovalized, which is not supposed to happen. F me, that's a fat gap.
I don't have my seatbelt on yet, dude. What the f?
We out. Johnny broke his car early. He ran out of tires.
First time experience, what do you think?
I think it's super sketchy looking out here. Look at this place. Look at it. I had a cool experience, to be honest. I just need to bring more tires, and there's like a lot of potholes, so probably like raise the car like an inch for this place, and then like probably find more spots, you know? Look at the security as we're leaving. This is so crazy.
Yeah, like everything's so.
Like, what is this nice house car doing here? Like, why are you out here? I know why we're here, but why are they here? I wonder why they let you in. Like, it's gated off, right?
Yeah.
They could just close the gates and not let people come in, but like they do.
But I feel like
that's
some. Yeah.
That's my thing. Is like, why do they let people even in here? Then? You know what I mean? Like,
Aliens.
yeah, also, this is a jail.
Joe. Shout out to Joe.